Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to play Subtraction Pig. In this game, our goal is to get down to 0 and we're going to start with 100 points. You have your two dice. Player 1's going to be purple with what I have, and player 2 is going to be yellow. So, player 1 can roll as many times as they want on their turn as long as they don't roll a 1. So if player 1 rolls a 4 and a 5, I know that 4 and 5 is 9, so I can subtract 9, and I have 91. If player 1 decides to keep going and take their chances, there's 3 and 2, so player 1 can subtract 5. So I would think in my head, 91 minus 5, I know that 91 minus 1 is 90, and then I have to take 4 more away, so that's 86. But I don't want to take my chances in rolling another 1, so I'm going to say it's player 2's turn now. So player 2 is going to roll 5 and 2, so I'm going to take away 7, which is 93. Player 2 is going to keep going, but do you see how player 2 has a 1? So that means that player 2's turn is lost, and it's back to player 1's turn. So player 1 is going to keep going. 4 and 1. Player 1 actually has to give it back to player 2 without any points. Boy, this isn't quite as exciting as I had initially thought. 6 and 1, there's a 1, so it's back to player 1. Oh, finally, so 6 and 3 is 9. So on player 1's next turn, we're going to start with 86, and we're going to subtract 9. So 86 minus 9, I'm thinking in my head, 86 minus 10 is 76, so 86 minus 9 has to be 77. And since player 1 hasn't gone in a while, player 1's going to roll one more time. But 4 and 1, because player 1 rolled a 1, he's back to 86, and it's player 2's turn. Player 2 rolled 6 and 1, so now it's back to player 1's turn. 6 and 5 is 11, so now we're going to have that 86 minus 11, which is 86. Remember, minus 10 is 76, so minus 1 more is 75. And because we haven't been lucky, I'm going to pass it on to player 2 so I can keep where I'm at. So sometimes I'm circling it just so I remember. Player 2 is going to roll now. 5 and 5 finally. So 93 minus 10 is 83. And I'm going to roll one more time. 83 now, 5 and 6 is 11, minus 11, 83 minus 10 is 73, and then minus 1 more is 72. And I'm going to stop right there. So again, your goal is to get to 0, but as of now, player 2 is ahead, even though player 1 has had more turns because we kept rolling that 1. So let me know if you have any questions, but I hope you have fun with Subtraction Pig. Bye.